Hello everyone, I'm Dexie the Sheep, and if you saw the video about the robots on YouTube, you know, the bot comments, I made a video on that, and a lot of you actually liked it. That video kind of blew up my channel. If you see my analytics, it says my watch time just went through the roof with that one, and same with my views and impressions. That video, seems like you guys actually really liked it. And me and Tomato Tantrum are thinking of a collab to make. So you see where this is going, don't you? Our collab is going to be about YouTube bots, or just bots in general on the internet. And it's going to be like a huge, just 1 hour, 2 hour video, I don't know. Where either we do it on stream or it's pre-recorded. But yeah, we're just going to be talking about bots, I guess. We haven't really thought it through. We're still thinking about what the collab's gonna be. But that's really basically gonna be it. Just bots on the internet. Or bots on YouTube. And just wanted to say, so you guys can expect that. We don't really have a set date to upload that. But if you guys are interested in watching it, then just remember to sub and bell for both of our channels. I don't know, but he's probably gonna make a video saying like, oh, we finished the collab or something like that, and I'm gonna upload it here because my channel just blew up, so hopefully he can get something out of it too. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna really say about it. Bots are kind of taking over, you know what I mean? I mean, you probably know what I mean, but other than that, yeah, the bots, I don't know why YouTube doesn't care about them, but we're not only going to be talking, I mean, most likely we're not only going to be talking about YouTube bots, we're probably going to be talking about bots in general, like just everything they do, good and bad, like in real life too, like actual robots, not just bots, you know. And we got spam bots and all that. I don't know, we might talk about bots in general, or just YouTube bots. So yeah, if you want to get prepared for that one, then it's gonna be released around, I don't know, like start of November. How should I know? We still haven't really thought of what it's gonna be, as I said. There's no way of really knowing, but just stay tuned. All I could say. It's gonna be a great one. Probably the best video either of us has made so far. And only collabs we've ever done before were probably video game stuff like Surviving the Storm Forever, or just streaming together. Today, I mean not today, we're actually gonna be doing a real collab. Like a video, not just a stream. So there you got that. Finally saying we're YouTube partners, I guess. So if you haven't already, go sub to him. And if you're here from his channel, make sure you sub to mine, because we make kind of similar content. And if you like the bot video, you're here from that one, then I'm going to be uploading more stuff like that. I'm going to call it the Internet Scum series. So if you like me just exposing people doing bad stuff on the internet, you're probably gonna like that series. So yeah, just watch the playlist, might add more videos to it. Who knows? All I know is I'm gonna go eat and have a great day. See ya.